Cops intercept van carrying 13.3 billion shabu in Batangas checkpoint. Ay, wow! Grabe. 13.3 billion talaga. Marcos on largest shabu bust ever. No bullet fired. Not one person dead. Ay, grabe. Grabe. May tatamaan talaga dito. Shots fired! Shots fired!
This is the biggest shipment of shabu na nahuli natin. But not one person died. Walang namatay.
Planted daw. Planted. Ibig sabihin, peke yung huli. Sinasabi nila, hello, paano mahuhuli sa checkpoint? Talaga sa checkpoint? 2.4 million worth of illegal drugs seized in Sirawan checkpoint. Oy, checkpoint din to sa Davao City. Hindi totoo to. Di totoo to. Davao City,